Hi, in this video, I'm going to share with you how to do this. Right, so this product descriptions is in several rows, and I'm going to make it into a single line. Okay, so how to do that? Right, let's begin. So turn this into an Excel table and go to Data tab. Choose from table range. Okay, so now I'm going to fill all this value down, right, by using right click on this column, choose fill down. Okay, next I'm going to group for every product numbers, right, I'm going to group this together and group this value. So I'm going to group by and go to group by, and here I can change to the quantity, right? So I just put a quantity, and I want to do a sum on this column, quantity column, and I'll go to advanced, and I add another aggregate, and I just call it in one line, right? So I just put it in one line, and for this I'm going to use all rows, right? One line in which rows, right? So this doesn't show any column, right? Just do that, click OK. And now basically that for this product number, quantity is 20, but over here it shows the multiple columns, right? So I want this part here, product descriptions, so and combine them. So this is under product descriptions column. So I can go to this step here and change it, right here I can change it, right? So for each table or this, right, I'm going to just select one column, right? So instead of having all, I only want one column. So which is the um so until here, right? So probably I just delete it. Okay, so I have a list. The name is called one line, which you have shown. It's called one line here, and then I want only the column product descriptions. Descriptions, and notice that it's using square bracket. Okay, so if I have this, this is what happens, right? I'm going to create a list. So you can see this is a list, right? So I want to kind of like combine them. So how to do that? I can call it Text.Combine to combine each of these list item, right? And the way I combine is combine with the delimiter of comma and close the parenthesis and enter, and there you are, right? X, WAF, make, and so on. Okay, so Text.Combine bots. So right here, this is a type of general, right? So I can further go one more step by coming to this list here, right? This is one line. I give that a type of text. So I typing type text and enter. Oops. I just need small letter text will do. Okay, and enter. So now this column is giving a type data type of text type. Okay, so once finished, you can close and load. And thanks. And that's how you turn the list into one line. Thanks for watching.